The main goal of the Accessible Transportation campaign is to spread awareness to the public and to the government, in which persons with disabilities can share their experience on how they face a day-to-day life and the impact due to the lack of accessible transportation. A signature campaign on accessible transportation had been organized today, the 18th of February at Khandailat, Shillong. The campaign was jointly organized by the Barefoot Trust, Khasi Disabilities Association, Meghalaya Deaf Association, Meghalaya Liberation for the Visually Impaired, and the Blind Lead Trust.
Nyimla banap yo brio. Hado bon da accident bon dukut ika kejat. Hado bon sesuatu oh kalong kumta ndala deko ngi sesuatu. Kamlong kumta. Banya bangi ngat ya kajing snio ngidang la bangi kiar na kajing snio. Bahkan ai kata kalat at least ban sna kajaka nakabentak ka wheelchair ban bangirung insuk ken ban yat. Hindi bangin yat hapadeng ka surak kabajinjar kala ban yangi bahkan jai ke hakoy kasi ngin kwa bang ngin long kumta